Hi, Raul Balatbat here. I have partnered with Lloyd. We're going to open up Lloyd B's drive-through barbecue. I'm going to go take a look, see how construction's going. I believe that our hoods are up, vent hoods. So come on, let's take a look. As you can see, a lot of construction going on. Our contractor's doing everything they can. There's a lot, and it looks like it's gonna be a while. But I've been involved with a lot of construction projects, and it looks a lot worse than it really is. So, should be opening this month, hopefully. So let's take a look. This is the wall. Back here is going to be all the cooking. Right here is going to be the counter, the service counter. So we'll be taking orders right here, line going this way, no seating. It's all going to be takeout. So takeout barbecue, drive-through barbecue. This wall is going to be solid. We'll have our menu with LCD screens up here, making it look nice and fancy. That is our drive-through window right there. And back here, these are our hoods. Brand new, solid. So this is where all the magic's gonna happen, right here. Yeah, we're getting there. Back there, you don't need to see it. It's mainly our fridge, freezer, office. We've got a lot to do with the flooring, a lot to do with the ceiling. So there's still a lot to do, electrical, plumbing, all that good stuff. But we're getting there, and we can't wait to see you. Lloyd and I are gonna prepare for our grand opening. We're gonna let you know when that is. All right? So we'll constantly get updates for you, and hopefully we'll see you at our grand opening. Get you a date soon.